We got the old typical broke rod tip. The kiddos broke, so we got one of these rod tips. And I don't have any glue. I started to use hot glue, but I've got a little quick weld right here by JB Weld. We do half and half of each tube, and we're going to fill up that little piece and stuff it on there and let it sit. So we got that on there, and we're going to squish it. Look, it's squishing out the top, so it means we got plenty in there. And wipe off this excess. So just want to make sure this is lined up with this underneath it. We'll wipe off all this excess and let it set for a second. There we go. Got it all lined up. We got that JB Weld on there real good. It's already starting to set up. See, this stuff here is already, see, it's starting to set up already. So this is quick weld by JB Weld, and this will probably be set up in another 30 minutes to be ready to fish, if that.